Gilgit-Baltistan, a region of breathtaking landscapes and rich history, celebrates not one, but two Independence Days every year. Two moments of triumph, two dates etched in history. But beneath these celebrations lies a story of resilience, and a lingering question. Despite two Independence Days, are the people of Gilgit-Baltistan truly free? August 14th, Pakistan's Independence Day. First, we have August 14th, Pakistan's Independence Day. This day, marking 1947, when Pakistan gained freedom from British rule, unites people across the country in celebration. Here, too, in Gilgit-Baltistan, it's a day of national pride, a moment to join the rest of Pakistan in honoring the sacrifices that brought freedom and identity. People in Gilgit-Baltistan wave flags, attend parades, and celebrate alongside the entire nation. But there's a reason why August 14th isn't the only Independence Day for this region. November 1st, Gilgit-Baltistan's Independence Day. Just a few months later comes November 1st, a date with profound meaning specifically for Gilgit-Baltistan. On this day in 1947, the people of this region made a bold choice. They liberated themselves from the rule of the Maharaja of Jammu and Kashmir and declared allegiance to Pakistan and gave away their independence. Local forces, led by the courageous Gilgit Scouts and fueled by the unwavering support of the people, rose up against the rule of the Maharaja, determined to forge their own destiny. With unity, strength, and an unbreakable spirit, they claimed their freedom through bravery and sacrifice. This remarkable stand made Gilgit-Baltistan one of the first regions to not only secure its independence but to wholeheartedly declare its desire to join Pakistan, marking a powerful moment of self-determination and hope for a future together. Two Independence Days, but why celebrate two Independence Days? August 14th represents their unity with Pakistan, a shared story of independence and hope. November 1st reflects a unique, powerful chapter of rebellion and self-determination. But there's an untold side of this story. Despite these historic moments, is Gilgit-Baltistan truly free? Though proud to be a part of Pakistan, the people here continue to face challenges in achieving the autonomy they fought for. Gilgit-Baltistan still lacks full constitutional recognition within Pakistan, and the rights and representation they deserve remain questions still unanswered. So, while August 14th and November 1st are symbols of resilience and hope, they also serve as reminders of a journey still unfolding. Two Independence Days, yet an independence still incomplete. The people of Gilgit-Baltistan stand firm in their loyalty, but they also continue to seek the freedoms and rights they deserve. As we celebrate these historic days, let's also recognize the ongoing journey toward true representation and freedom. Gilgit-Baltistan's story isn't over yet. Thank you for watching. If you're moved by Gilgit-Baltistan's unique and ongoing story, please like, share, and subscribe to The Voice of GB. Together, let's bring these voices to the world. Stay safe.